Hi there, Elaine here with WTI. Are you looking for an amazing pillow? Well, you have found one right here. Don't look any further. This pillow feels amazing and wonderful to sink into. It's so soft and just molds to your neck and head. I love that it has a ton of airflow. I mean, look at all these holes. And the gel infused memory foam gives you a great cooling effect when you get hot at night. I do like to wash the covers, and this zipper is made very well. That way I can take it off anytime I want. I like the geometric design of the pillow cover too. It's very soft and cozy. I followed the directions and let the pillows decompress, and my family was so happy to get new pillows for when they visit. So step over into the gel memory foam pillow side and don't have the feathers sticking you in the face. You will love these. I highly recommend them, and that's just my point of view.